Hello class, I just wanted to make a short video about using the calculator, especially with law of cosines for that last problem we did in the video, which would have been right before this in the playlist. So we were dealing with a triangle. It had side A 32, side C 48, and we knew angle B, the included angle in this side triangle, was 125.2 degrees. So I'm just going to talk to you about putting it into the calculator and show you the store button. First thing you want to make sure is that you're in degree mode, since we are have an angle measure in degrees. So go ahead and make sure your calculator's in degree mode, and you should always be checking between radian and degree based off the problem you're dealing with. So we're in degree mode, and I'm just going to type the radicand, the part under the radical first. 32 squared plus 48 squared minus 2 times 32 times 48 times cosine of 125.2. Close your parentheses, hit enter. That's the value you get under the radical, and then I'll do second square root, second answer. And that's how I get this value for side length B. Now I mentioned using the store feature on your calculator. So go ahead and clear those out. So the store button shows up over here on the left. You see where I've typed it, and it's going to store that answer. And so I want to call it B, and I only have the option to use capital letters on my calculator, but I'm going to hit alpha and then the apps because it has a B above it. So now anytime I type alpha B until I overwrite it, my calculator is going to remember that this is my B value. And that's an easy way for me to store it and use it for a future calculation. So then when we went to the next step and we were calculating angle A, we needed to use B. So we have this expression, and then we need to do inverse cosine of that expression. So I'm going to clear this, and I'll clear that there. So we have our expression. The numerator was 32 squared minus, I can say alpha B squared minus 48 squared. So that was all of my numerator divided by my denominator is negative 2 times alpha B times 48. So that's what I got as my argument inside cosine inverse, and now we would just need to apply cosine inverse, second answer, close parentheses, enter, and that's where we got that angle measure. And of course, that was angle measure A, so if I wanted to store that, again, I could push the store button, and I'll do alpha A. So then when I went to calculate C, angle C, I said 180 minus the given angle B, which was 125.2, minus, and I'll say alpha A, which is the 21.48. I could have also used second answer here. And that gives me my 33.32 that we put on our paper. So I hope that helps you with your calculator a little bit. Again, if I was doing another problem and I saved something else as A or B, it would just overwrite that value. And you can always check, because I could type alpha A, and that's going to give me my value for A, or alpha B, that gives me the value I saved for B. You as a student just need to recognize that your calculator can't type uppercase and lowercase letters, so you need to know that B actually represented a lowercase b on our paper was a side length, and the A, which is a capital A on our paper, measures an angle in degrees. All right, good luck out there.